जय हो बाबा पशुपतिनाथ, भगवान पशुपतिनाथ को जय हो। ये तट है बागमती तट छ हैन, बागमती तटमा म आएको छु र अन्तिम संस्कार भइरहेछ। यहाँतिर दाह शब्दहन कार्यक्रम चलिरहेछ। And I just want to show you that because I am standing on the bank of Bagmati river ko tatma ma umbiरहेको छु. And I want to show you something, the masterpiece of this stone craft you can see. And you can see that this is the Narayan and all that. And here has come the one pigeon, and I want to hello, 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 hello. Aha, this is the pigeon. And I want to make him fly. Ah, look at. He has come to attend me, I think. Thank you, Lord Shiva. Om Namo 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 Narayan. And this is the image of Lord Vishnu. And one can say this is a joint form of Lord Shiva and Vishnu. And it is said that they are the same Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, Satyam, Shivam, Sundaram. Jai Ho, Bhagwan Pashupatinath.